Hello there, and welcome to Reach for Power, where we take a closer look at the power itself and the strategies to build it. I am your host, Monika Kruk, and in this episode, we will focus on power of persuasion. In the ever-evolving landscape of leadership, one thing remains constant: the power of influence. Effective leaders understand the science behind influencing others and harness it to drive positive change. In this episode, we will delve into the psychological principles that underpin influential leadership. By exploring concepts such as social proof, authority, reciprocity, we will demonstrate how understanding these principles can help leaders build influence and inspire others. One of the fundamental aspects of influence is social proof. As social creatures, human beings often look to others for guidance in uncertain situations. Social proof is a psychological phenomenon that occurs when individuals imitate the actions or beliefs of others, assuming that those actions or beliefs are correct. Influential leaders leverage social proof by showcasing the positive behavior of others, highlighting testimonials, and sharing success stories to inspire and motivate their teams. By creating an environment where positive behaviors are visible and celebrated, leaders can establish a powerful sense of momentum and encourage others to follow suit. For example, a leader may organize a recognition event where exceptional team members are publicly acknowledged for their achievements. By celebrating their success and displaying their positive behavior, the leader creates a sense of social proof that encourages others to strive for similar accomplishments. Another critical principle of influence is authority. People are more likely to comply with requests from individuals perceived as authoritative figures. Leaders can establish authority by demonstrating expertise, displaying confidence, and cultivating a reputation for integrity and reliability. However, it is important for leaders to avoid using their authority in a coercive manner. Instead, they should use it to inspire trust, guide decision-making, and offer expert advice. By embodying authority and credibility, leaders can gain the respect and support of their teams, leading to a more harmonious and productive work environment. For instance, a leader may regularly provide expert insights and guidance during team meetings, or present research findings to support their recommendations. By consistently displaying their knowledge and competence, the leader establishes themselves as an authoritative figure that team members trust and are more likely to comply with. The reciprocity effect is a social norm that plays a significant role in influencing others. It dictates that individuals feel compelled to repay acts of kindness or favors. Leaders can utilize the reciprocity principle by offering support, recognizing achievements, and actively engaging in acts of goodwill. By fostering a culture of generosity and fairness, leaders create an environment where individuals are more motivated to go the extra mile and support their colleagues. Genuine acts of reciprocity create a positive feedback loop where trust and camaraderie flourish, leading to a more cohesive and high-performing team. For example, a leader may take time to mentor and provide guidance to team members, offering their expertise and assistance whenever needed. By proactively engaging in acts of reciprocity, the leader fosters a culture where individuals feel appreciated and valued, leading to increased motivation and support within the team. In addition to social proof, authority, and reciprocity, building rapport and likability is crucial for influential leadership. People are more inclined to follow and be influenced by those they like. Leaders can build rapport by actively listening, showing empathy and genuine interest in their team members. By fostering positive relationships and creating a sense of belonging, leaders enhance trust, communication, and collaboration within their team. When team members feel valued and understood, they are more likely to embrace the leader's vision and actively contribute to its realization. For instance, a leader may schedule a regular one-on-one meetings to understand their team members' goals, challenges, and aspirations, actively seeking to establish a connection. By building positive relationships and creating a sense of belonging, the leader enhances trust, communication, and collaboration within the team. The principle of scarcity suggests that people value and desire things that are perceived as limited or scarce. The fear of missing out drives individuals to take action to secure a rare opportunity or exclusive resource. Highlighting the scarcity or limited availability of a product or opportunity can heighten its perceived value and increase persuasive impact. For example, a leader may communicate the limited slots available for a prestigious training program and emphasize the exclusive benefits participants will gain. By creating a sense of scarcity, the leader enhances the perceived value of the opportunity and motivates individuals to take action to secure their spot. Recent academic research has provided valuable insights into additional influence-building principles for effective leadership. One such principle is emotional intelligence, which refers to the ability to understand and manage one's emotions and effectively navigate the emotions of others. Leaders with high EI are adept at empathizing with their team members, recognizing and responding to their emotional needs, and fostering a positive emotional climate. By demonstrating empathy, leaders create an atmosphere of trust and support, leading to increased engagement and commitment from their team members. Research has consistently shown that leaders with high emotional intelligence are more likely to be influential and achieve positive outcomes. For example, a leader may proactively check with the team members to understand their well-being, offer support during challenging times, and create an atmosphere of psychological safety where individuals feel comfortable expressing their emotions. By demonstrating emotional intelligence, the leader establishes trust and support, leading to increased engagement and commitment from their team members. In conclusion, understanding the psychological principles that underpin influential leadership provides leaders with a powerful toolkit for driving positive change. By harnessing concepts such as social proof, authority, reciprocity, likability, leaders can inspire and motivate their teams to reach new heights. If you liked today's episode, please subscribe to have regular access to the newly published content. You are also welcome to check Reach for Power webpage at reachforpower.com for more materials and share your thoughts and comments with me through LinkedIn. Thank you for joining me today and keep on reaching for power.